Phonics and Rhymes TV.
Five little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks danced in the rain, splashing puddles down the lane. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks found a stream. It sparkled bright just like a dream. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks swam round and round, chasing fish where ripples sound. Mama duck called quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. One little duck saw butterflies flying under rainbow skies. Mama duck called quack, 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 but no little ducks came back. Mama duck looked left and right, called again with all her might. Quack, 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 what a surprise! Five little ducks came back with sparkling eyes. They brought her shells and flowers too, and said, "Dear Mom, we missed you." Mama hugged them, wings so wide. Let's all stay close, side by side. Now six ducks play, what a sight! Under the sun, so warm and bright. They laugh, they splash, they quack all day. Together forever, hip hip hooray! Oh!
Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.